Noom Diabetes Management Pricing explained what you get for your money. Noom is known for changing the way people approach weight loss, but did you know they also have a diabetes management program? The question is, what do you really get, and is it worth the price? Noom's diabetes management program costs around per month or about for 4 months. While it may seem pricey, the value lies in personalization. Most people get this wrong. They think Noom is just a calorie counting app. But this version is built specifically for managing blood sugar and long-term metabolic health. It combines behavioral psychology, nutrition tracking, and real-time coaching to help users make sustainable changes. You log meals, blood sugar readings, and activity levels. The app then adjusts your daily goals based on your progress. Certified health coaches check in weekly, offering advice tailored to your unique situation, not just generic tips. You also get access to bite-sized lessons that help you understand the why behind your habits. For example, you learn how to identify blood sugar triggers and how food timing affects glucose control. So, what do you get for your money? A digital diabetes coach that helps you improve your numbers, lose weight safely, and change habits for good. For those looking for long-term control without the overwhelm, Noom's approach is smart, science-backed, and sustainable.